Hello friends, welcome to shiksha.com. Today we will see how to fill SSC CGL 2022 application form online. But before moving forward, please like and subscribe to our channel to get the latest information about the SSC CGL exam. SSC CGL 2022 notification was released online on September 17 and the Commission activated the online application link after its release. The candidates needs to register at the official website of SSC before filling the online application. Here we are describing the whole step-by-step process of filling the SSC CGL 2022 application form. So guys, let's get started. Go to Google and search for the SSC website. Click on the official link of the SSC website, that is ssc.nic.in. Log in with the registration number and password. The latest notification window will appear on the screen showing SSC CGL 2022 exam dashboard. Click on the apply link. The SSC CGL 2022 application form will appear on the screen. Most of the details will be automatically filled from the details given in the SSC registration form. These details include the personal details such as name, father's name, mother's name, date of birth, age on January 1, 2022, gender category, nationality, mark of identification, PWD status, matriculation details. The candidates need to select the examination center in the application form. The candidate can select any option in Center 1. After selecting the Center 1, the candidate need to select 2 more examination centers from the same region. The candidates mark the option if they opt for the age relaxation. If they opt age relaxation, they need to select the appropriate option for age relaxation. The candidates need to provide the information about the highest education qualification achieved. Details of qualifying educational qualification and its status such as passing year, roll number, university name, percentage and CGPA. If the candidate is appearing in the final year, he or she can select the same. The address details, mobile number and email address of the candidates will be auto-filled. Now, the candidates need to upload the photograph and signature of the specified size and format as shown in the application form. The candidates need to provide information whether the photograph is taken after 17 June 2022. After uploading the photograph and signature, the candidate should read the declaration and select the I agree button. Fill the CAPTCHA code and preview the SSC CGL application form. Check all the details of the application because it will become the official record later. Submit the application form if all the details are correct. The candidate should note that they cannot edit the application after submitting it once. The Commission will charge to application correction fee to edit the application detail later. The Commission will display the application receive message. After application, the candidate should pay the application fee based on their category. Only after paying the fee, the SSC CGL application will be completed. In case the candidate fall in the fee exempted category, the application form is submitted without application fee. This marks the end of SSC CGL 2022 application filling process. So guys, keep visiting on shiksha.com to get more such updates on Sarkari exams and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to us. Thank you.